Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge Princess Polly try-on haul for winter 2022, and I am so excited about this one. This might be my favorite Princess Polly haul that I've done in a very, very long time. Not might, it definitely is. I'm obsessed with everything that I got, and I've got some good inspo for holiday parties that you guys might be attending or New Year's parties. I've got some options, and I've also just got some really good winter staples that you guys need in your wardrobe this season. This video is sponsored by Princess Polly, so thank you so much to Princess Polly for working with me on this video. Of course, I have a discount code for you guys if you want to shop anything that I show in this video, or if you just want to check out the rest of their inventory. Use my code HANNAH, H-A-N-N-A-H, for 20% off your order. So Princess Polly ships from within the United States, and you can get free express shipping to the US, which is 3 to 6 days on orders over $50 US. And Princess Polly also offers ShopPay and AfterPay to all US customers. I will have all these items that I mentioned in this video listed and linked in the description box for you guys to shop, and I'll also have a link to Princess Polly's website if you guys want to check the rest of their stuff out. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. I am genuinely so freaking excited for this video. You guys have no idea. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with some dresses that I got. I got 2 dresses that are perfect for winter, the holiday season. They're just... So this first one that I have is called the Villa Mini Dress, and I got it in a US 2, and it's in the color burgundy. I have been on the hunt for a good, flattering, cute, long sleeve winter dress because I don't know about you guys, but I always struggle finding dresses that I can wear throughout the colder months, especially if you're like me and you live in a somewhat colder climate. It's like you don't want to wear like a strapless dress, or you don't want to wear like a spaghetti strap dress. I mean, I guess you could just throw a jacket over it, but sometimes I just want a long sleeve dress, you know, and it's so annoying trying to find one. I feel like there's not that many options, but Princess Polly came through. This is absolutely stunning. I love the color, I love the fit, I love everything about it. It has a little wrap detailing over here. I'm gonna tie it for you guys. I forgot to tie it after I tried it on, but it is just to die for. I don't think I did a good job tying it. You guys get the gist though, you'll see it on, but it is so stunning, and I feel like with some tights, I think it would look really, really good for a Christmas party, a holiday party, whatever it may be. But honestly, like, I don't really have anything planned. So I just got this to have for going out to a nice dinner or a nicer event during the colder months. And oh my gosh, I'm just obsessed with it. And I feel like all I own are like black dresses. So I'm really happy that I got one in this beautiful burgundy shade. It's the perfect winter color. And it's also a good dress, I feel like, for Valentine's Day. Okay, last dress that I got. This might be my favorite. This is called the Friday Fever mini dress in navy, and I got this in a US 2. This fits awesome as well. I really, really like the fit of it. Guys, what drew me to this dress is the sparkles. Obviously, I'm a sucker for anything that glitters, anything that sparkles. Literally my nails, I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're like white chrome, but they've also got some sparkle to them. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with sparkles and rhinestones. So I had to get this dress. I don't own anything navy. I'm not kidding. I don't own a single navy piece in my collection. Nothing, not a top, pant, shoe, jacket, nothing navy. Well, maybe like a sweatshirt or something, but I'm just not a fan of navy. But this is like breathtaking. It's like a gorgeous shade of navy, if that's a thing. But I pictured myself wearing this with maybe some white booties or some like sparkly heels with a sparkly purse. For New Year's, that would be so, so cute. Or if you have like a birthday coming up, honestly, any occasion, you can't go wrong. This is stunning, and I'm obsessed with it. I think they have it in another color on their website, if I'm not mistaken. But I went with the navy. Next up, I guess we'll go with the skirt that I got, because I did get a skirt. This is called the Lola mini skirt in white, and I got this in a US 2. I know this is not really winter of me. I mean, I could wear it with some tights or something right now, but I mainly got this for like the transition from winter to spring. Even though you're not supposed to wear white until Easter, whatever. I just needed this skirt, okay? So cute. It has a zipper in the back, very easy to get on. It's got a cute little slit. It's the perfect length. I am 5 foot even, and I feel like if you guys are way taller than me, you can still get away with wearing this, like, without it being super, super short. I love it. I feel like I might could have done a 0, but I read the reviews saying that it ran kind of small, so I sized up to a 2. But I still really like the fit of it, and I cannot wait to wear this in the spring and summer months. Like I said, I could totally wear it now with some tights underneath, but I feel like the fashion people are gonna come for me since it's white. But this is such a cute skirt, and they also have it in black on their website that I've been eyeing, but I just decided to go with white because I don't think I own a white skirt, honestly. Next up for tops, we have a few. Starting off, I am about dumb as a rock because I already own this shirt in this color, so that's fun. But this is the Becca long sleeve crop top, and this is in red. I got it in a size 4, and I own this in every single color on their website, I think, except the printed ones. I'm obsessed with this top, and I'm so obsessed with it that I bought it twice in the same color, obviously on accident. I literally got this in my last Princess Polly haul that I did and completely forgot, but I have another one, so that's good. I have a backup, but I love this crop top so, so much. It's so flattering. It's the easiest outfit for going out. Like if you don't know what to wear, or if I don't know what to wear, I always pick a Becca long sleeve crop top with some jeans and some sneakers, and it's my fit for going out, and it's perfect because it's long sleeve, so it's appropriate, but you still get to show off some skin, and I love showing off my torso because I don't really have one. So you guys need this. I've literally talked about it in every single Princess Polly haul that I've done. So yeah, I actually just posted an Instagram picture in the green Becca long sleeve crop top. I'll throw it up right here. And I was wearing some parachute pants from Princess Polly in that picture as well. So that was the whole Princess Polly moment. If you guys didn't believe me that I was genuinely and utterly obsessed with this top, that picture is proof. So this next top I am utterly obsessed with. This is called the Jointon long sleeve top in blue, and I got this in a US 2. This is so flattering, and I love the color. I feel like this color looks so good on blondes. I always get compliments when I wear this color. This is literally my favorite color at the moment, and I think I have some dunks that might match this absolutely perfectly. But here's the thing, I struggle with finding like cute going out tops for the colder months because I don't live in a warmer climate. So when I go out to the bars, I want to look cute, show off some skin, but I don't want to carry around a jacket. So I need something that's long sleeve, but still like, you know, shows off a little bit. This is absolutely perfect. And I don't know if they have this in multiple colors on the website, but if they do, I'm getting every single one. I'm obsessed. I have no words. I love the sleeves. They're like a little flare moment. The color, the ties in the front. Guys, run and get this. I can also wear that into the spring as well because it's a pretty thin material, and I feel like it would look so cute with so many items. Next up, I have the Truden long sleeve top black, and I got this in US 4. Very glad that I got this in US 4 because it was showing some under boob when I like raised my arms, but that's okay because I'm not like raising my arms all the time. But yeah, okay, so this is so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's like a little crisscross action in the front. Oh my gosh, it is just stunning, and it's like the perfect black long sleeve, but it's not basic because it's cropped and you've got this little crisscross moment in the front. So I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to wear this for going out. I could literally wear this with anything. I could wear this with jeans, I could wear it with black denim, I could wear it with white denim, I could wear it with a skirt, cargo pants, parachute pants, literally anything. I mean, it's a black crop top, but it's a fun little twist. Like actually literally a twist on a basic black crop top. Last top that I have is very similar to the Becca long sleeve crop top that I showed you. This is called the Devon long sleeve top in brown, and I got this in a US 4. I have no words. I have no words. I love brown. I don't know, I think again, it's another color that looks really good on my, with my blonde hair. I love, of course, how cropped it is. I love the sleeves, they flare. What I love the most are the little sparkles, and oh my gosh, like this would be so cute for New Year's or a special occasion, a birthday, whatever, but honestly I'd wear it year round. Like, hello, she is the moment. I'm obsessed. I think it's so fun. I actually think I own this top, or one very similar from Princess Polly in white. It just doesn't have the sparkles, but it's like the same kind of mesh detailing, the flare sleeves, same like croppedness. I'm obsessed, guys. It sparkles. My life is complete. Last but not least, I have jackets. No, just kidding. I have a pair of boots that I want to show you guys. I have been talking, I don't even know for how long at this point, about how I don't have any good quality black booties. I went to dinner the other night and I pulled out some old booties that I've literally had since I was a freshman in college, and my mom literally laughed at me and said, Tori, you've got to get some new boots. So I did just that, and I didn't settle though. I waited till I found the perfect black booty, and these are them. I don't know what they're called. I'll have them linked down below. I think I actually own these from Princess Polly in the like bone tan color, and they've got like a black sole just like this. And now I have the black ones, and I'm literally wearing them to dinner tonight. I'm so excited. They're like this like patent leather almost. I don't know if this is patent actually. I just kind of made that word up. It's got like a faux leather moment, and they're a platform heel booty. Guys, I could cry. These are perfect. I got them in a size 7 because that's my normal size. And I still have like a little bit of room, but I wouldn't say like size down. I would say stick true to size. These are literally everything. I'm obsessed, guys. Go run and buy these. I found the perfect black booty. The search is over and I can retire my old cheap ones. Now, last but not least, we have jackets. I have 3 jackets, and I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing because it is literally my favorite thing in this whole entire haul. I'm going to a really nice dinner tonight, and I'm wearing this. I'm literally leaving right after I film this video, so I'm wearing this with these boots, of course, but when I tried this on, I almost cried. I'm not kidding, because it is everything and more. Like, it is everything that I've been searching for. It's to die for. So this is called the Lesser Faux Fur Jacket in black, and I got this in a US 2, and it fits so good. I love it. It's so cute, and it doesn't shed or anything, and I just feel so like fun, and I just feel like it's so sexy and cute, and like it looks expensive, but it wasn't. So soft too. Oh my gosh, like I'm obsessed. You guys, run and get this. I think they also have it in another color. I think maybe a cream, and if I'm right, I'm literally buying it because I don't own anything like this, but I'm going to be wearing this everywhere. Also perfect for like a holiday party. Literally perfect for just any occasion. Just when you need a little spice to your outfit. So I have 2 more jackets. This one's a flannel, but whatever. This is called the Bilby flannel jacket, blue gray in a US 2. This one's so cute because I'm obsessed with flannels. You guys should know that at this point. But all my flannels are like long, traditional, oversized flannels. This one's cropped, and I love it. Like, I freaking love it. Well, is it cropped? Yeah, I think it is cropped. But I love the colors in this. I love everything about this flannel. I think it would look really good with jeans because of the blue. I'd also wear it with leggings and like a white cropped short sleeve underneath with some gold jewelry. Oh my gosh, guys, this is it. This is it. Obviously, in the try on, when I'm trying on all these jackets, I wouldn't wear it with that skirt or the top that I was wearing. I just had to have something to try on these jackets with. So it might look a little stupid in the try on, but it is so stinking cute. And I love Princess Polly's flannels. They have so many good options. Last but not least, we have another fur jacket. This one is called the Tudor PU Faux Fur Jacket in white and brown. I got this again in a US 2. I feel like I could have definitely done a US 0 too. It's definitely very oversized, but it is so cute. Again, looks so expensive. And I know other brands sell very similar jackets like this for an insane price. So this looks so expensive and I love it. It's like brown and white fur and I'm obsessed. I don't know what I'd wear this with, but I know I needed it, especially for when I go out to Wyoming. I'm always looking for nice, like furry, cute jackets. And it's even got little buttons. It's so cute and it honestly looks so expensive. But guys, I need help styling it. Help a girl out. All right, you guys, that is it for today's huge Princess Polly try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I'll have all these items listed and linked in the description box for you guys to shop if you guys are interested. I'll also have a link to Princess Polly's website if you guys want to check out any of their other stuff. They've got the cutest, trendiest stuff. I'm obsessed with them. I love them. Literally 80% of my wardrobe is Princess Polly at this point. I love them. A huge thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, guys, to use my code Hannah for 20% off your Princess Polly order. Princess Polly ships from within the United States, and you can get free standard shipping to the US on orders over $50 US, which is 3 to 6 days. And they also offer ShopPay and AfterPay to all US customers. I love you guys so much, and I hope we see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.